That grocery store just pickpocketed you for $147, and you thank them with a smile. Stick around, because at the end, I'm revealing the 130-second shopping hack that retail psychologists desperately don't want you to know. It's saved me thousands. Smash subscribe if you're done being played by billion-dollar corporations. 3 items. That's all you needed. Milk, eggs, bread. You even chanted them before leaving home. 15 minutes later, you're cramming 12 bags into your car, staring at a $147 receipt, your brain scrambling to explain what just happened. Somewhere between those automatic doors and the cashier, reality bent. Your cart now holds artisan crackers you've never tasted, a rotisserie chicken that ambushed your nose, a discounted candle trail mix from a random end cap, and a celebrity diet magazine you grabbed during the checkout crawl. The terrifying part? You don't remember consciously choosing most of it. These products just materialized. By the time awareness kicked in, your card was already swiped. This isn't weak willpower. This is warfare. You just battled a $100 billion machine perfected over decades. Every corner, shelf, smell, and song, weaponized by behavioral scientists whose only job is hijacking your brain and draining your wallet. You're not shopping. You're trapped in a psychological combat zone designed like a casino. And you're hemorrhaging money. I'm Bobby, and I'm obsessed with why grabbing milk becomes a $100 mugging. What I'm exposing next is the invisible blueprint of supermarket mind control. Why essentials hide in back corners, pricey products sit at eye level, checkout aisles squeeze you, and clocks mysteriously vanish. Once you decode this, you'll never sleepwalk through it again. Every product position, shelf height, aisle, calculated from decades of research on hacking human behavior. The master principle? Force you past maximum merchandise before reaching what you came for. This is why milk, eggs, and bread, America's most purchased items, hide in the deepest corners. Not refrigeration, not logistics. It's a trap. Data from the Food Marketing Institute drops this bomb. 60 to 70% of grocery purchases are completely unplanned. Stuff never on your list. Zero intention when you walked in. Their algorithm is simple. More minutes inside equals more money extracted. Journal of Marketing Research confirms shoppers covering more ground spend significantly more, even with identical lists. Your milk path isn't inefficient, it's optimized. For their profit, not your convenience. Products at eye level, 4 to 5 feet up, vastly outperform others. Nielsen Analytics reveal eye-level placement spike sales 35% or more versus bottom-shelf twins. Grocery chains charge manufacturers millions in slotting fees for prime eye-level spots. Translation? Products you see first aren't the best deals. They're the ones that paid most for your attention. That store-brand pasta costing 40% less? Bottom shelf. You'll squat to find it. Name brand cereal with fat profit margins? Right at your kid's eye level. Because marketers know a child grabbing colorful boxes bypasses parental logic entirely. Grocery stores stole from casinos, the most psychologically ruthless retail environments ever. Casinos eliminate clocks and windows so you can't track time. Groceries copied this exactly. Hunt for a wall clock. You won't find one. Why? Time awareness creates urgency. Urgency means faster shopping. Faster shopping means fewer impulse grabs. Lighting is surgical, bright in pharmacy aisles for trust and sterility, warm in bakeries for appetite and comfort. Music is weaponized. Slower tempo physically slows shoppers down. Journal of Consumer Research found slow music boosted sales 38% versus upbeat tracks. Fresh bread, smell flooding the entrance? Pumped through vents deliberately to activate hunger hormones. Produce misters? Not for freshness. They make vegetables sparkle and spike impulse buys. Even your cart is a con. Carts ballooned 40% larger over decades. Martin Lindstrom's research shows doubling cart size increases purchases around 40%. Empty cart equals brain screaming, "Fill me." The most brutally optimized extraction zone is checkout. Lanes are intentionally cramped, trapping you surrounded by high-margin bait, candy, tabloids, gum, batteries. Average wait is 3 to 5 minutes. That captivity is monetized. Checkout products carry 40 to 60% profit margins, far above typical grocery margins, because you're stuck, bored, decision fatigued. A 2019 study found checkout candy alone generates massive impulse spending, parents especially vulnerable when kids grab items within reach. Let me show you the real cost. Average American household spends around $600 per month on groceries, according to Bureau of Labor Statistics. If 60% are unplanned, that's $360 per month in impulse spending. Conservative estimate, half are truly unnecessary. That's $180 per month manipulation tax, which equals $2,160 per year. Over 30 years, $64,800 spent on unintended items. Invested at 8% returns instead, approximately $263,000. $250,000 stolen through psychological warfare, one rotisserie chicken at a time. Here's your counterattack. Action 1. Build a list organized by store section. Enter through side entrances when possible, avoiding promotional funnels. Move with precision. Action 2. Eat before shopping. Cornell research shows hungry shoppers grab high-calorie items never on lists. Hunger equals compromised judgment. Action 3. Shop perimeter first. Whole Foods live there. Processed junk dominates center aisles. If your list doesn't demand them, ghost them. Action 4. Look up and down on shelves, not straight ahead. Eye level equals high margin. Better values hide above or below. Action 5. Use self-checkout or candy-free lanes. Minimize stationary time surrounded by extraction traps. Every time you enter a grocery store, you're stepping into an environment designed by psychologists, optimized by data scientists, engineered to collapse your intentions. The store doesn't serve you. It exploits you. Milk hides in back to force temptation. Expensive products sit at eye level for mindless grabs. Narrow checkout lanes trap you vulnerable. The maze isn't accidental. It's a weapon. The only defense is seeing the trap clearly before it springs shut on your wallet. Now you know how grocery stores rob you blind. But what about the apps on your phone doing something even more sinister to your bank account while you sleep?